What's up, y'all? We back with another video, and I'm about to prank my grandpa, and he's right here, and he's about to get in the back seat, but I'm gonna tell him to get in the front. I'm about to prank his ass. You guys be ready. What's up, y'all? We back with another video with your boy GQ, man. My grandpa's here. Look at him. He don't want to show his mouth because he ain't got his teeth in.
Oh, nobody's looking at your teeth.
Nobody's looking.
I got that.
Oh, they had your mask on in the car.
Because I don't want to see my teeth.
You think we got germs?
Mm-hmm.
Huh? They seen you already before without.
No.
Nothing.
All the people, 25,000 people on the first video we did. 25,000 views. My allergies been going crazy, Trevor.
What are you waiting for?
I'm about to go right now.
My allergies I've been sneezing all day.
What you been doing all day, Dad?
Sitting there waiting for you.
They've been waiting for me. Ooh. Look how close I am to that car.
Your daughter didn't know how to drive?
Oh, I know how to drive. In this little baby parking lot. How come they leave the shit out like that?
What are you talking about? Oh, I don't know.
Can't even drive through the fucking parking lot the right way.
Don't know. That's the fucking people who own the place.
Oh shit.
What was that?
Damn, his big ass head hit the TV up there.
Shit.
Fuck, you knock yourself out.
Fuck! Oh, fuck. Fuck, you got me all wet, you motherfucker.
My bad, Grandpa.
Fuck, man. What the fuck?
Did it
Don't
go?
you dumb motherfucker?
Did it go in your ears? Fuck, he was.
Fuck, yeah.
My bad.
Motherfucker didn't even cover his mouth.
My bad. Oh, fuck, my bad, Grandpa. I did not mean to do that. Damn it.
This Safeway first? Or what?
Motherfucker start wiping himself.
He was cleaning his ear out.
My bad. My allergies been going crazy.
Yeah, and all over me. Fuck. Hope I don't get sick.
Fuck. Alright, my bad.
That bitch hasn't been here all week. Got strep throat. Man, I don't want to get that shit. You don't come.
You stay away, huh?
You work the lady that works for you?
Yeah.
You want to go to Costco with us?
Yeah, go to Costco. Why you gonna take a left?
I just want to go to Safeway and get me money order.
You want to
What's
go
that
to
Costco?
stuff?
Oh, yeah.
Damn. Fucking allergies been acting up.
He said, I told that bitch to stay home.
She had strep throat from what? Kissing people?
I don't know.
She don't be kissing you, does she?
Fuck, no.
You be kissing your worker?
She's too fucking big for me.
She's too big for you. What if she liked you?
Oh, well.
You wouldn't give her none?
No. There he goes again, now, motherfucker. Why are you sneezing on me? What
He
the
got it
fuck,
on
man?
me too. Fuck.
What the fuck?
What the fuck? Excuse bless you. Shit.
My bad,
Jeez.
Bless you.
I need some tissue.
Here.
Oh, fuck.
He said, motherfucker, did it again.
My bad, Grandpa. Shit just be coming out fast. Shit.
Blow that way, man. Not on me. Fuck.
Blow it that way.
Oh. I'm sorry. Shit. not good. My sneezing giving you that time.
You fucking can't hear shit. Are your ears closed up?
Does it again, man.
Fuck my
What
bad.
the fuck? Why you gotta blow it on us for?
Oh God,
You should have stayed in the front, man. Blowing that shit all over me.
shit.
Blowing that shit all over me.
You know how my allergies get, Grandpa?
You got them too, Dad.
I ain't got allergies like you guys do.
Your nose be running.
Shit.
I don't sneeze like you guys do.
Oh, you got a little girl sneeze at you? Thinking about it. You bring your handicap?
No. You didn't tell me to bring it.
Great.
Right there.
I thought it was.
One right there.
Fucking nose, man. Ugh. Shit. I hate the one thing. If I could change anything about me, it would be my sneezing. Cause like once I sneeze, like it doesn't stop. You know?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, we should. There he goes again, motherfucker. Why cover your fucking mouth? Why you gotta blow it on me? What the fuck, man?
How'd she get here?
Yeah. Fucking head's all fucking wet. Fuck, man.
I can't breathe. I can't breathe.
Grandpa, all right.
Grandpa.
All right, it was a break. Look at, I was spraying water on you the whole
Yeah.
time.
Get that fuck out of here.
I was spraying water on you the whole time. It was a prank.
Thank your ass.
He said my hair is all fucking wet.
Oh fuck my stomach.
Oh my
This
god.
motherfucker about to get mad at me.
He was about to cuss you.
He was
out.
about to cuss me out.
And help him.
That's the end of the video, y'all. Appreciate y'all. Love y'all, man. Make sure you comment below. Make sure you like the video.
Oh, is that what it was?
Make sure you comment below, man, and make sure that you subscribe to the channel. I appreciate y'all. Love y'all. We out. Peace.